Hi everyone, I am Praveen and I represent Hair Destinations, our company to provide hair solutions for those who are suffering from hair loss in any kind. We are specialists in non-surgical hair replacement system for men and women. When our products are taken into consideration, we have a wide range of products, solutions, mainly including hair patches for men and women, which are absolutely non-surgical. Apart from hair patch, we have number of accessories we are required in hair replacement system. That is hair bonding tape, hair bonding glue, hair patch conditioners, hair extension clips, hair patch serum. Yeah, class, but not least, we have solution for hair extensions for women's. All are done under the supervisions of experienced professionals. If you need our products or services or further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us on WhatsApp 98342 We are happy to discuss about hair loss problem and provide the solutions for you. If you are interested to watch our videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and also you can get more information through our Facebook page. Thank you very much.